Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a makeup tutorial using the Huda Beauty Neon Orange palette. And it looks like this. I'm sure y'all have seen it everywhere. Y'all know I love my neon colors. By the way, for those of you who are new to my channel and do not know how much I love color, my name is Candace. I do beauty, fashion, luxury, occasionally lifestyle, food, and travel videos. If you're not new, welcome back once again to my channel. Thank you for sticking around and checking me out. And if you're brand new, hopefully you stick around, subscribe, and see what my channel is all about. And hopefully you enjoy this video as well. If you would like to see the look, keep watching. Taking my eyeshadow primer. I'm taking a NYX Jumbo eyeshadow pencil in hot pink now. I'm kind of spreading this all over the lid area. This is not 100% necessary. It's just to add a base underneath with color. But like I said, you don't have to necessarily do this. You can also use white if you want it. I just wasn't able to find my white base, so I'm just using this one. Put my finger on the tip because these are really soft. I didn't realize how easy they were to break. Today I'm mainly going to be using the Huda Beauty Neon palette. This one is in, I don't even know. It is the orange one, I believe. This is what it looks like. Now, I realized the controversy surrounding these. I found it out after I bought these, so there's that. I'm still gonna use them because I spent money on them. So, that being said, you want to use something different, something that's similar, you know, it's totally up to you. You can do that. I'm going to take a crease brush. I'm using a MAC 217. It's just a really fluffy brush. Y'all know what it looks like by now. Of course, my hands are ashy. I didn't put lotion on. Excuse me. For the crease, I'm going to take this yellow here. Applying this in the crease. I'm going to do it pretty intensely. For brow highlight, I'm taking another color. I'm going to take a color in the Ruby Obsessions palette, since this palette doesn't really have one. I'm taking this color here, this lighter shade. This is also from Huda Beauty, by the way. This is going right underneath my brow. I'm putting that brush to the side for now. And the color I'm going to take on the lid, I'm going to take this color here, the shimmery orange. Taking it all across the lid, flat brush. This is just one from Sigma Beauty. I could have totally used the orange base, but I think it looks better with a pink actually. I'm going over the entire half of the lid, 2/3 technically. I'm stopping on that outer V. And as you can see, this color applies better, swept across rather than packed like I do my mattes. I'm going back into that crease. Add no additional color, just blend around those shades. On the outer V, I'm now taking a different brush, even more tapered brush, and I'm taking this darker pinky purple here. I mean, it's darker, but it's not dark. Let's not get it twisted. I'm taking this on the outer V. And I'm blending it in the outer crease. It's gonna create kind of an orange with that yellow in the crease. You can go back around the edges now or later to make sure everything's blended. I'm going to do this other side. I'm going in with the inner corner now. I think I'm going to extend that pretty orange into the tear duct. The same orange I used earlier. I'm going to take the flat brush. I'm going all the way in. I really like this color. It's like a fine glitter and shimmer. I'm going to put some down here too. For the bottom, I'm taking an even darker eyeliner. And for that, ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner in the shade Joyride. I'm doing this on the water and lower lash line. On top of that, I'm taking a different Huda Beauty palette. This one is Amethyst Obsessions. I need to do reviews on all of these. I just have not had time. I'm taking this kind of a slightly dark purple. It's not really dark. I mean, this is the darkest one, but I'm gonna take this one at the top right to start. I'm just using that really fluffy, well, that tapered brush I used on outer V, and I'm gonna go on top. This is also gonna kind of smoke that out slightly. Close your eye if you're afraid of getting shadow in your eye. You see how pretty that looks underneath? I'm gonna clean it up with concealer. Still got shadow in my eye, it's all good though. Going back into that tear duct, I'm done with this purple palette now. And I'm taking that orange again that I used, that shimmery orange, and we're gonna make sure that pops out down there. nicely. For liner at the top, I'm also done with this neon palette now, so I can move on. I'm going to do my NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. Actually, I'm not done with this palette. I need the mirror. Gonna have to go a lot thicker because as you can see, I screwed up my eyeliner. It's all good though. I don't mind thick liner. Whoa, too thick. I have to clean that up, like big time concealer. The problem is these little brush, I don't know if y'all can see those. The brush is starting to get all funky, and that's what's causing me to mess up now. I need to be more careful when I put this away, or I could just buy a new one and say screw this one. But it still has a lot in there. I don't like waste. Okay, I'm taking concealer to the bottom. The ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40. So this doesn't require me to mix it with anything. So it looks good on its own. There we go, nearly match, kinda. Now, I'm gonna do some mascara. Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. Actually, I do not do lashes, and I need to. I need to start washing my hair more often than I do. I'm taking the Red Cherry 118s. I surprisingly like these more than I thought. I used to love these, but for some reason I stopped using them, and I don't know why. Because they're pretty awesome. Even though they're long, they're very natural looking. I'm gonna apply these. I need to throw this glue away. This is sad, but I'm trying to get every drop out. And they also apply super easy. I'm taking some foundation now. The NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation in Marquise's mixed with the Circa Color Balance Liquid Foundation in number 8. Mixing those up like a cocktail. Taking the areas that need more coverage first. I'm going around those. Of course, going around my eyes. I'm taking some setting powder. This is from Huda Beauty. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not. This is their high perfecting powder. It comes in compact like this. It's a nice lizard alligator type of pattern. Please excuse my ashy hands. Going around the mouth too. You can go anywhere else, around anywhere else that you would like. But as y'all know, I don't like matte finishes on the face. Okay, for contour, I'm taking the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural and Sun Power. My usual go-to. MAC 109 brush. This is like one of my all-time favorite bronzers. Make it as intense as you want. I'm taking some highlighter. I've been overusing this, but I love it. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold. I'm just, continuing to kick myself for not using it sooner, because it's pretty awesome. I'm just gonna take this Clean Color Sun Baked Blush. I need to get something else, but yeah. I don't feel like it. And this goes with the look. Put on as much or as little as you want. For lips, get this lip balm off the excess layer. Wow, that glue is still not drying. What is going on? That glue is still there, and normally it doesn't take that long to dry. This is Glam Vice Miss Me. It's like a pinky purple. It kind of goes with the look. If you want to do neutral, by all means. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look using the Huda Beauty Neon Orange palette. I love the palette. Aside from the controversy, she has some great eyeshadows. As far as her, copying other people's palettes and ideas, I don't know anything about all of that. I mean, yes, some of her products look similar to other people's, but I still support her because she's an influencer like myself, and she's created her makeup line, and I like to support other influencers, and I think she has great makeup. Aside from the whole shady stuff about her covering the label underneath, that's kind of shady. Hopefully nothing happens to my eyes. Nothing has happened in the past, like the other neon palette I used, you know. But of course, use this at your own risk. Use similar shades if you don't feel comfortable. I would never tell y'all to use something that I know that might possibly not be eye safe. I always tell you guys if it's not eye safe and to use it at your own discretion. I'm a little bit more of a risk taker, so that's why I do it anyway. Probably has a lot to do with my blepharitis, but yeah. Nonetheless, I enjoy the look. Hope you guys did too. Please rate the video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.